Hello friends, this is Param. Just Param, okay? No Parminder, no Paramjeet, no Parampreet. This is just Param, your next door fashion blogger and fashion designer, doing my first video ever. So since talking about fashion, I would again come to fashion, and today's video is exclusively to all my guy friends out there who have been just waking up every morning from their nightmare and they've been wondering, okay, today something in the wardrobe will save them and their outfit might just give them their right Cinderella, but it just doesn't happen. So I'm going to give you 5 ways to get in the right kind of mode and getting the best of your looks. So the number one product that I have for you on the list, guys, is a good pair of trainers. And when I just say the word trainer, don't even dare to look and think about the ones that you have them already lying in your wardrobe. So I'm talking about those nice trainers that will just grab your first attention. This video is all about colors, fun and everything, and you need to bring that missing fun in your life. And what better than in the most important part of a man's wardrobe, in those trainers out there, yes. In those shoes out there, you need to get and invest your money into a good, colorful, textured trainer. And guys, the second product on my list is, I think we need to come a little bit more up from where we were. From the bottommost part of our body, we would come a little bit more up. And yeah, a little bit more up from there. And then we would move a little bit on the left. We would come on to our wrist. So we're talking about wristwatches now. We all have our Benton watches and we all have our Disney watches, and a few who can afford, they all have their Rolex watches. You might think that what more interesting you can dig into a small piece of watch, but no, there's a lot more than a small piece of dial that you might just wear on your wrist. So when you always go out looking out for a watch, you should look out for a new color, a new texture, probably a metal strap, probably a new technology that opens up and turns into a shuttle ship. Anything, but just you have to experiment and keep on looking out for new options, guys. You know what is the third product on my list, guys? I think by now you must have known it. These are these glasses, these Mickey glasses, and no, these are just for me, right? Don't get scared. I'm talking about the nice glasses for you. Glasses would actually lift up your personality and your whole attitude to n number of amount. I think you should just give it a different shape. I think a new shape can add a whole lot of new look to your entire face, and it can just turn the entire story around. So I think a new shape, a new size, probably a new color can help you lift up the whole outfit. And yes, just to be safe, do not wear them in the night and go out. I might just unfriend you, or you should just unfollow me there and then. Winter is coming, guys, and I think the fourth product is very evident from this line. I'm going to talk about scarves, and yeah, not the ones that mom has woven for you. For now, we can just keep them aside. I want to talk about those nice silk scarves for like floral scarves from which men have been just hiding away. I think we need to get them out right now. My personal tip for scarves, and which always work for me, is like scarves are the most easy thing that you can work with, and each time you drape them differently, they will give you a different look each time. So I think a guy can always have a funky scarf in his wardrobe, and if you fall short of those scarves, you can always go to Asking Bazaar and shop for more. The fifth thing that I'm going to talk about is the most quirkiest thing that a man could have in his wardrobe, and it's the most easy thing to get it. What you have to do is, you have to just go into your sister's room, take that bow tie off her head and just wear it here. And voila, you are fashionable. You are in the A-list and you will be on the cover of Vogue, trust me guys. Bow ties, they come in different shapes and sizes and colors, and what you have been just wearing is black, or a black tuxedo. You think it's fair enough? No. You have to go out and bring out that extra color right across your neck. I would just say that just don't be boring. Like literally, boring is really the new boring that you can do it. So you have to be the new interesting to not be the usual boring. So you have it all 5 easy ways, guys, to just not look like basically you, and just to look like me and look more fancier and bigger and better. That's all, folks. I'll see you in my next video, and I hope that this video did some amount of fair justice to your minds and it just opened up a little, and you will just go out and experiment and be a little bit more colorful. And on that note, I think I didn't bore my cameraman Kunal Kohli. I think he'll stick around with me for a while. So, ta!